All right, this tutorial is going to show you how to use Google Meet. All right, so first there's a few different ways to join a Google Meet. The first one might be an email invite. So you'll see in your subject line to join the video meeting, click this link. So when you open up your email, you'll see a link to join the Google Meet. You'll be taken to a screen that says join now with a black screen there. Okay, another way is through a calendar invite. All right, and you'll see at a specific day and time Google Meet. And you'll see right in there once you open up that link, another link that says to join Hangouts Meet. Then you'll be taken to this same type of screen with a black screen and a join now. Another way might be that your teacher posts a link in a Google Classroom as an assignment. So Google Meeting link, and you click on that, and again the same type of screen with a join now. Any way that it is done, when you click on that link, you join now, and you will be taken to the virtual classroom, which is a Google Meet. If your teacher is in there, you'll see the teacher icon. If not, you'll see your icon or your own face, but either way, wait in there for your teacher if you are the first one in there. Okay, there's a few things to be aware of within the virtual classroom. Okay, so first in meeting details, there's an up pointing arrow. If you click on that, you'll see meeting details, but you also see attachments. If your teacher has attached any items that they want you to have, then you click on attachments and those things will show up in here. Okay, down at the bottom, you'll see an icon for microphone. That's where you can turn off your microphone. You might want to do that if you are testing. When you are done in the meeting, you would leave the meeting by clicking on the leave call, which is the phone icon. And if you are not wanting yourself to be visible and you just want your icon to show up in place of you, then you would turn off the camera. Right over here, this is captions. You can turn on captions, and then what you'll see is a scroll right across the bottom, and that will be everything that is being said in a closed caption kind of way. Google is pretty good about matching the words, but it can be pretty distracting, so I'm going to turn that off right now. Okay, over here, these three vertical dots, these are the options. So right here you can check settings in case you're having some issues with the audio. So you can check to make sure, run a test to see if the headphones are working. And you can set your microphone. In case you've just plugged in, you want to make sure you've selected the correct microphone. Okay. I'm going to come to the present now in just a minute, but first I'm going to come up here. This is where you can add people. You can add people via an invite, which gives you a join code. You can also enter them by name. Once you start typing in a person's name, if they're within this school district, then the rest, they'll automatically populate. And you can also add them by telephone. Okay, over here in chat, that is in case, pretty much in case you have multiple people in the meeting room, so you don't overwhelm each other with everybody talking at once, then you might want to ask a question just via text, so to speak. Also, if you're having trouble with audio, a lot of times you can just start typing down here. I am finished with my test. So you type there and then you click the send there and it will appear there. So you and your teacher can communicate that way in case the sound is not working. Okay, and to close this window, you just click on, you click out here. Okay, all right, so if you are proctoring, you are in a test proctoring situation, your teacher needs to proctor the test, or if the teacher needs to see what's on your screen, to see what's going on with something that you're doing, maybe you're having difficulty, you need to share your screen. So you would be presenting your screen. So you would click here for Present Now. When you present now, you would present your entire screen. Okay, so once you do that, this window pops up and you see Screen 1 and you see Screen 2. You will click on Screen 1. If you're working on a Chromebook, you may only see one of these images, and it won't say Screen 1 or Screen 2. It will just show an image. Click on the image to the left. Once you click, then Share will light up, and then you click Share. And then once you do that, it will tell you you're presenting your screen. And that means that your screen is now visible to your teacher. And once that happens, then when you select another tab, your teacher will be able to see that tab. So if you are proctoring or if you are testing, then your teacher will now be able to see you taking your test. So whatever tab you go to, your teacher can now see what that is. Okay. Thank you for, oh, I'll get back to this. And so when you are done, then you can stop. Oops, sorry. Stop presenting. And you will be back to the virtual hangout. Okay, I hope this was helpful. If there's anything else that you need, please make sure that you check with your teacher. Thank you.